Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 5.2 NCERT class 10th. Okay, that is very simple exercise. Also, I think in the last video I did not tell you the nth term. Okay, in this video I will tell you if you have to find out the nth term of a given AP, then the formula of nth term will be what? A plus n minus 1 times of D, students. Okay. What is the means of A? That is the first term. What is the means of N? That is the what? Number of terms. That which term do you have to find it out? Okay. And D means what? That is the common difference, student. And AN means what? That is the nth term. Nth term. AN means what? That is the nth term. A means what? A means the first term. N means what? That is the number of terms. D means what? That is the common difference. Okay, students? Okay, now we will go to the exercise. By the way, one more time I am going to write down the formula. Look at here. The formula of nth term is what? That is A plus n minus 1 times of D, where A is what? That is the first term. N is what? The number of terms. D is what? That is the common difference. Okay, students. Now we will study what is the question first thing of exercise 5.2. Written here, filling the blanks in the following table, given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, as I told you, AN or nth term. AN, the nth term of the AP. Now in the first problem, the first term is given here 7, the difference is given here 3, the number of terms is given here what? N is given here what? 8. We have to find out the nth term. That is very simple. We will put here the formula. AN is what? A plus n minus 1 times of what? D. What is the value of A? That is, students, 7. N is what? That is 8. 8 minus 1, that will be 7 into D. D means what? That is 3. Now you tell me 7 3 is what? 21. 21 plus 7, that will be what? 28. This is your answer. This will be what? That will be your 8th term. Okay, that will be what? Your 8th term. Okay, students. Now we will go to the problem number 2. What is written here, student? Here the first term is given here, the number of terms is given here, the nth term is given here. You have to find out the value of D. I think again you will apply the same formula and you will get the answer of this. Okay, students? Are you getting what I am saying? Because in this formula there are 4 unknown values. Okay. What are the first unknown value? That is the nth term, the second is A, third is N, and fourth is what? D. If there will be 3 values which have given to you, then we will find out the 4th value of the term. Okay, as in all the problems here the 3 values are given and you have to find out the 4th value, then you will have to, in all the problems you have to use this formula. Okay, students. Okay, one more question I am going to tell you, then after rest of the questions you will try. Okay, here the first term is given here, the number of terms is given here, nth term is given. What is the formula? AN is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of D. That is also written here. Look at here. Yes, this is AN is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of what? AN is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of D. Nth term is given here, students, what? That is what? That is 0. The first term is given here, what, students? That is minus 18. N is what? That is what? That is 10. And D we do not know. When you will solve it, you will get the value of D. Okay, students, what I am saying, are you getting? Minus 18 will come here with a positive sign. There will be 18 is equals to 10 minus 1, that will be 9D. Okay, 9 2s means the value of D will be what? That will be only and only 2. Okay, students. Now, the rest part of this question you will try. Okay. Now, we will go to the next question. What is written here, students? Look at here very properly. The second question is written here, choose the correct choice in the following and justify 30th term of the AP is. Means the question is asking what is the 30th term. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the first term first. That is 10. That is also written here. What is the first term? That is what? 10. Difference you will find out the second term minus the first term. That is what? Minus 3 will be 7 minus 10. That will be what? Minus 3 1. Okay. The 30th term you have to find out. Okay, tell me what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 times of what? D. Value of A, that is what? 10. N is what? That is 30 term we have to find out, means the value of N will be what? 30 minus 1. And the value of D is what? That is minus 30. Okay. Students, I think all of you have got it. Okay. When you will solve this, we will get the value of nth term. That is what? 30th term. That will be what? Minus 77. Okay, students. Have you got it? Yes. The next part is also here. We have to find out the 11th term. First term is given here, D is given here, the value of N is given here. You will find it out. Okay. Okay, students, if you have doubt, then please ask. Okay. Now the question number 3 is saying that is also the same question is written here. All the parts are same here. Here you can look at here the what is the first term is given here, that is what 2. What is the third term is given here, what the third term is what 26. Okay, now you tell me directly the formula of third term, that will be what, that will be a plus 2d. Why? Because here 2d, that will be what, equals to 26. Okay students, why there is 2d means we will get a number less than a number 1 less than. Okay, if written here 3, then we will write in about 2. Why? Because in the formula you have studied n minus 1. Okay, what is the value of a, that is 2. You will put it here. 2 is equal plus 2d equals to 26. Malab 2d is equals to what, that will be 24. Means the value of d will be what, only and only 12. Now we have to find out what, the second term. Okay, you have find it out what, d that was what, 12. Okay, now the second term will be what, a plus 1d. A is what, that is 2. 1d, 1 times of d means what, 12. Now you will find out the value of second term, that will be what, that will be only 14. I think that is also very simple question. Okay, now we'll go to the student question number 4. That is a very simple question. Now look at here, the fourth part. Okay, the fourth part is written here what. Now you can check from here that the first term is what, minus 4. Now 6 is which term is the 6? That is what, this is the first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Matlab sixth term is what, that is 6. What is the means of sixth term? That is a plus 5d is equals to 6. The value of a is what, minus 4. You will put it here minus 4. That will go there with a positive sign. Then there will be what, 6 plus 4 means 5d will be what, that will be 10. The value of d will be what, 2. Now you can find out the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, as the empty boxes are given here. Okay, now you have to find out what the second term. Second term is what, a plus 1d. Okay, tell me what is the first term? That is what, minus 4. 1 into d, I had find it out what, 2. Now you can find you can solve and you will get the answer what, minus 2. Now you will find out the third term. The value of third term is what, a plus 2d. You will put the value of a and you will put the value of d. You will get the third term, fourth term as it is, then after fifth term. Okay, okay students, are you getting what I am saying? Okay, now we will go to the next question. What is written here? That is a very good question. Which term of this AP is 78? Now look at here. What is the question saying? AP is given here 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Question is asking which term is 78. We do not know. We will consider this is the nth term. Okay, nth term is what? 78. Now you solve. What is the first term is given here? That is 3. What is the difference is given here? That is 5. Okay, now you will put the formula. Okay, this is given here. An is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 times of d. The value of n term I will put it here 78. Okay, the value of a, that is also I will put here 3. Now value of d, that is what? That is 5. I will put it here. Okay, now you will solve and you will get the answer 16. Means 78th is the 16th term of the given AP. Okay students, now I think this is also very simple exercise. We will try. Okay, if there will be any doubt then please ask. Okay students, thank you and try your best to solve. Okay students, and tell me on Google Classroom that how much have you solved and what are the left questions, which questions you are not able to solve. By the way, most of the questions I have told you, try your best to solve from NCERT or NCERT examiner. Okay students, thank you.